Annual bottled water consumption per person in the United States increased from 18.2 gallons in 2001 to 29.2 gallons in 2011. What is the percent increase? So to find percent increase, we'll take the new value, the 2011 value, 29.2, minus the older value, the 2001 value of 18.2, and divide that by the older value, 18.2. In the numerator, 29.2 minus 18.2 is 11, and we're going to divide 11 by 18.2. 11 divided by 18.2, rounded to 3 decimal places, is 0.604, and now we'll convert that to a percent by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right, giving us 60.4%. So the percent increase, 60.4%.